5 senses explained. Our body has 5 senses: touch, taste, smell, sight, and hearing. These senses allow us to interact with the world around us. They send messages to our brain so we can experience all the wonders of life. When we touch something, our skin receptors send signals to our brain. These signals tell us about the temperature, pressure, and pain. So when you feel something hot, cold, hard, or soft, that's your sense of touch. When we eat, our taste buds on our tongue detect the flavors in food. They send signals to our brain, which then interprets them as sweet, sour, salty, or bitter. Our nose contains millions of scent receptors. When we breathe in, these receptors detect molecules in the air. They send signals to our brain, which then interprets them as a specific smell. Our eyes are able to detect light, color, shape, and motion. These are the basic elements of sight. And finally, our ears are able to detect sound waves in the air. These sound waves travel through the air, vibrate our eardrums, and send signals to our brain. And that's how we hear.